Hare Krishna. Dear Srila Prabhupada, please accept my humble obeisances. As usual, before starting any activity, I seek your blessings. Just as in India, in traditional Indian culture, children take blessings of parents and grandparents before starting any activity or going to school. So this is followed even in our Vaishnava culture also. In our ISKCON, all the devotees they keep expressing gratitude and appreciation to Srila Prabhupada before starting the activity, and after completion of the activities, we say all glories to Srila Prabhupada, all glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. So the original glory goes to you and Gauranga. So although we can speak of many qualities of you, Srila Prabhupada, but I just want to mention and appreciate some of your qualities in short. So as it is said that imitation of good things is good, Srila Krishnadas Goswami, Kaviraj Goswami mentions 26 qualities of Vaishnava in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Imitating him or following him, I just contemplated and written 26 qualities of you, Srila Prabhupada. I just want to mention: first, Guru Nishtha; second, high respect and gratitude for the previous acharyas; third, feeling as always a servant of the previous acharyas; fourth, faith in holy name and dependence on Krishna; fifth, compassion for all living entities; sixth, truly being a representative of the Supreme Lord and defending Krishna's teachings; seventh, ability to induce sense of urgency about spirituality in others, and always enthusiastic, always looking for opportunities to spread Krishna consciousness; graveness in thinking, speech and actions; boldness in actions, speech and walk; pure in thinking and clean in character, behavior and habits; 12th, speak simple, down to earth, no esoteric speech; 13th, scientific, logical and authoritative in writing; 14th, poet; 15th, loving, caring and kind to all jivas, not just to human beings; 16th, expert in guiding, engaging disciples in various services according to their talents; 17th, doing the needful for all round welfare of your disciples; 18th, expert in worldly dealings; 19th, expert in defeating Mayavad and Shunyavad; 20, never like to hear any nuisanceable talk, and you would tell devotees to start kirtan as soon as you hear nuisance; and 21, expert in cooking and training; 22, relishing and honoring prasadam to heart's content; 23rd, any gap of time you had, you would personally chant the holy name; 24, you did the best application of Yukta Vairagya in your life; 25th, you think big and does big as you are empowered by Krishna; 26th, last but not least, you are well versed in common sense also. Srila Prabhupada, for your pleasure, this on your appearance of 125th appearance of viewers, we are starting another new Sankirtan bus, although it was there previously, which name was Srila Prabhupada Kripa Traveling Sankirtan Bus. So we are starting it again because previously as it was there but it became old, so we converted it into a Jagannath Ratha cart for Nagar temple. So for your pleasure, this year we are bringing a new Sankirtan bus because it was your desire that Sankirtan and books to be spread all over the world. So we seek your blessing to serve and engage in such a way that will please you and Krishna and all of our Guru Parampara. Thank you, Srila Prabhupada. Jai Srila Prabhupada.